Mine's a good video.
You were filming at this time? All this time?
Yeah.
I didn't realize you were filming.
Huh?
Oh,
So you get it.
I'm getting dusted. Oh, I'm so sorry.
I got Winston.
Let me run away from the scene of the crime. Oh God. Sorry. I think this is why Arthur doesn't like us.
Because we're prone to crashing.
Yeah. Sorry.
Ooh, that was quite a flip.
Sorry. Ah, you rebounded into me.
Are you blaming me?
I'm blaming the wall. Who built this track?
Yeah, you want to actually... We could just pull off the walls.
And just have empty tiles?
Yeah. And, you know, the floor is lava, that whole thing.
Oh.
Oh wow! Thanks to you saying that it turns more on one side.
Yeah.
I'm actually able to get better laps now.
Oh, good.
Because I adjusted the steering so that it's more biased towards one side.
Okay. Not the dual rate?
Basically, I made it so it turns like when I turn left, it turns like X amount, and when I turn right, it turns like a more. Or actually, the other way around. Like when I turn left, it turns less than when I turn right.
Oh. Interesting. But if I reverse the tiles, then
What?
like next time if you come over and the layout is reversed.
You mean if we just go backwards?
If the layout is mirrored.
Oh.
So if the straight tile was here,
So I'm screwed. I gotta go the
then
other
you
way
gotta
around.
change it again. Ah, I got stuck.
I might actually be able to come in not last at the next stop where we get this one.
I thought you've never been last.
What?
You've never been last, right?
No, I have.
Sorry.
With my permit car, I've always been last.
Oh.
So this might be the one, unless somebody like did not finish, which I
Yeah.
think happened once. But with this one, I think I can actually beat somebody. As long as enough novices show up.
Well, I think what you have a lot of improvement. You have this time to test all your cars
Oh yeah.
and adjust them as needed.
Yeah, I mean, compared to the first one, this is such an improvement.
And then to have this exclusive track time.
Yeah, and I appreciate that. Thank you. Because I'm able to learn more here than I would at the track. Because there, I always have to watch out for, here we can just relax and do things like
Bash each other. This is a bashing session.
what is it?
This is a bashing session.
Yeah.
How come RC driving is called bashing?
I don't know.
It's
I
just
think
driving.
usually when I think RC bashing, I think like off-roading, so the cars do tend to be get a little bit mixed. No, get out of the way.
I pushed you backwards. Ooh, I got under your skin.
All right, fine. You asked for it. I'm pushing the motor up to, but it's currently at 50%. Bringing it up to 70.
Not 100%?
Oh, hell no.
Oh.
I think the battery's dying too, though.
The batteries are drained?
Yeah.
Do the lipos drain faster than...
No, they drain slower. But I've been using this for a while now.
Okay.
And the thing that sucks about them is that if you go below a certain level, you can't charge them anymore. They're permanently dead.
Oh.
I hate that. So if they go below 3.7 volts per cell. So in this case, this is a 2 cell. So 7.2 is the lowest it can go, or it's permanently damaged.
So you can never let them discharge below 7.2?
Correct. If it's a 2 cell.
Yeah.
So yeah. Otherwise, you can throw it away.
That's kind of a waste.
Yeah, but that's
How do you maintain that charge?
well,
you're not
no.
using.
So like for example, the brushless. So I don't know about the Mini Z there, but first off, you can see the dip in voltage. So at that point, you just take it off like I just did.
And then recharge it?
Yeah, but there's other speed controllers that will just tell you, like, they'll just tell you your battery is, basically they'll cut off the battery before it dips below 4.2.
Okay. Oh, okay. So it's a warning signal.
Yeah,
And then that way you just recharge it.
correct.
But what happens if you have a long day of racing and then, during the middle of the race, it dips down?
Well, no, you're gonna see a dip in speed.
Yeah.
So at that point, it's your responsibility. Like, okay, the battery is dying. I'm gonna take it out and
Okay.
swap it with another one, like you do with the AAA.
Okay.
You just swap it out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even your cell phone battery, it's not allowed to go underneath 3.7 because it's a 1 cell. And if it goes below that, I think it's a 1 cell. So if it goes below that, it's permanently damaged. So when your battery says it's at 0%,
Yeah.
oh shoot, oh yeah, this one went too low. So if your battery goes below 0%, so when your battery is at 0%, it's actually at 7.4.
Okay.
I made a mistake of waiting too long here, and it's under 7, so I'll see if I can recover it. I have other batteries.